Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tajmi Knitting channel. Today I will share with you air bubbles pattern. Let's see.
This is air bubble, and
Look friend, it is a so beautiful and very easy pattern. Beginner can learn it easily. We can apply on gents sweater, lady cardigan, jacket, coat, scarf, baby set, cap, boy sweater. In every present, it looks beautiful. This is a hardly 8 row repeated pattern.
uh, 3 stitches per bubble. I have total cast on 27 stitches. This is the row 1.
First stitch, slip first stitch and knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. A repeated pattern start from the hair. 3 stitches, knit 3 stitches, yarn over and slip 1 stitch. Then next 3 stitches knit 1, 2, 3, yarn over, slip 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3 stitches knit, yarn over, slip 1. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, slip 1. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, slip 1. The last 5 stitches knit last 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row of the pattern on the back side.
Slip, purl, 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 and then yarn around, insert to the loop, and carry these 2 stitches, and then purl, 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 yarn around, insert to the loop, purl, purl, purl,
2, 3, 4, and 5. Third row and front side of the pattern. Slip 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, slip, knit 3 stitches, yarn over, slip, knit 3 stitches, yarn over, slip the slip stitch and their loop, knit 3 stitches, yarn over, slip the slip stitches, knit, yarn over, slip. Last 5 stitches, knit. Back side, row 4, slip 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, wrap the yarn over, slip, wrap the yarn over, purl 3, wrap the yarn over, slip, slip stitch, purl 3, wrap the yarn over, slip, slip stitch, last 5 stitches purl, 3, 4, 5. Front side of the pattern, slip 1, knit 4, 2, 3, 4, wrap the yarn over, slip stitch with all loops, knit 3, yarn over, slip, knit, wrap the yarn over, slip, knit 3 stitches, last 5 stitches will be knit. Row 5th has completed, back side and row 6. Row 6 and back side of the pattern, slip 1 stitch, all 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrap the yarn over, slip the slip stitches, all 3 stitches, wrap the yarn over, slip all 3 stitches, wrap the yarn over, slip, purl, wrap the yarn over, slip, purl, last.
I'm going to finish the pattern. Okay, then you see how do we knit, yeah, knit the next stitch, then insert to the loop, knit all of them, insert to the loop, knit all of them, insert and knit, insert and knit, so now insert to the loop, knit all of them, insert to the loop, knit all of them, insert and knit, insert and knit, so now this is the bubble stitch. I will purl the wrong side. I just purl all stitches on the wrong side, then we will finish the complete bubbles. In row 8, I don't make any pattern, just purl all stitches. We have finished air bubble. 3 stitches per bubble, and when you make the next pattern, I suggest to always put the center bubble in the middle. So we will make the next bubble and place the center stage here and here, next one here. You can see it. So thanks for watching.